More and more sales for Memorial Day. Heavenly Heat is also doing a sale. We just did the Clear Light sale. This one is for Heavenly Heat. Talked to Colin. Colin said the Red Light Sauna is going to be $700 off. So I think those of you who've been waiting for one of those will really like that. And then let me read you the details of some of the Memorial Day sale specs. Current sale will stay up on the site. $500 off the Eco model, $500 off the one person, and $700 off the Red Light Sauna. $600 off the two-person infrared sauna. You can get those with code JUSTICE, and it says my coupon code STACKS, so it's an extra 10% off for you guys. They're also offering white glove assembly for free through the Eco, one-person, two-person infrared, and Red Light Sauna. The assembly crew will not put the glass or the red light panel inside the Red Light Sauna. There's a note here about that. So they won't install the red light panel, but they'll put the sauna together, hook it up, and leave everything operational. So if you watch the install tutorial, if you see how you take the glass window out of the red light model when I was doing it, you put the little basically wood supports on there and you mount the red light panel inside if you choose not to use it separately. That's the only portion that's not included in white glove. But white glove is offered for the Eco, the one person, the two person, and the two person red light. They don't include, it's only those four models. So don't expect an outdoor sauna that should be on a paper pad or something like that to be included in the white glove. And coupon code STACKS, so you get an extra 10% off. That'll be a pretty good savings for the red light model, the Eco one person, with code JUSTICE. So I think you guys, I'll put a link in the description below. Just check and see what the final price is, but they're also allowing you to stack with the discounts, so that should be great. We'll see you in the next one. Hopefully you find something that works for you.